In this video, we will talk about automatic variables. Automatic variables are simply a variable whose values are generated by Make automatically. It reduces Makefile size. We will understand about each automatic variable with example. I am taking same Makefile here used in last video. Here, we are having target test.exe. This test.exe is having dependency on test1, test2 and main object files. GCC command will generate executable file from object file. Next, dependent file test1.o file will be generated from test1.c file. Test2.o file will be generated from test2.c file and main.o file will be generated from main.c file. This phony target clean will remove test1.o file, test2.o file, main.o file and test.exe file. Save this Makefile. Let's compile the source file using this Makefile. Issuing Make utility. It has compiled successfully and generated object files and executable file. If we go back to our Makefile again, we will see that same files are written in prerequisite or target and in GCC command. We can reduce this code redundancy using automatic variable, which will make our Makefile very neat and clear. First, we will see the automatic variable for the target. Target can be replaced with $@ symbol. So, here in first rule, we can replace test.exe with automatic variable $@. In second rule, test1.o can be replaced with $@. In third rule, test.o can be replaced with $@. In fourth rule, main.o can be replaced with $@. Next, we will see the automatic variable for prerequisites. All prerequisites can be replaced with $XOR symbol. In first rule, we can replace all object files with automatic variable $XOR symbol. In second rule, we can replace test1.c file with automatic variable. In third rule, we can replace test.c file with automatic variable. In fourth rule, we can replace main.c file with automatic variable. Save this Makefile, compile it. Issuing Make utility. It has compiled successfully, generated object files and executable file properly. First prerequisite can be replaced with $<. Symbol. In second rule, this automatic variable can be used, which will be expanded to test1.c. In third rule, this automatic variable can be used, which will be expanded to test2.c. In fourth rule, this automatic variable can be used, which will be expanded to main.c. Save this Makefile. Compile it now. Issuing Make utility. It has compiled successfully and generated required object and executable files. Another automatic variable $+ symbol is used to replace with all prerequisites, similar to $XOR symbol but with duplicate names also. $XOR symbol replace with all prerequisites without duplicates. $+ symbol replace with all prerequisites with duplicate. This automatic variable is used for linking commands, where it is meaningful to repeat library file names in particular order. Let's understand with this example. Adding one more main.o in prerequisite of first rule. First trying with same $XOR symbol. Save this file. Compile it. Issuing Make utility. It has compiled successfully. Notice here, main O is placed once only in this GCC command execution. If we replace now here with the $+ symbol, it should give an error. Let's save this. Opening terminal. Issuing Make utility. You can see here, main.o was placed twice in GCC command execution and it gave error. This automatic variable has some special use case as argument to linkers where duplicate values have meaning. I will show that use case in some other video. If we try to use this automatic variable here to any other rule, it will give error there also. Let's add to the second rule. Save it. Compile now. Issuing make utility. It gave an error. We will see one more very important automatic variable. $? symbol. This automatic replace with only those prerequisites which are newer than the target. Let's use this automatic variable in GCC command of first rule. Save this make file. Now running make utility. It has compiled successfully. Now I will remove test1.o object file, issuing rm command to remove test1 object file. Running make utility again. This time you can see only for the first rule $? symbol is replaced by only test1.o object file. And as all object files were not present for generating test.exe executable file, it has thrown an error here. So here we should use $XOR symbol. For understanding, added print here. Compiling now. If you notice here for echoed command, all three object files test1.o, test2.o and main.o are present, as these were newer to the target test.exe executable file. Removing test1.o file, recompiling again. It has compiled successfully. It has printed test1.o object file which was removed. This time test1.o object file was regenerated as it was removed, so this was newer to test.exe file.